Welcome to this video. We're going to be doing a video on art therapy and we're going to be using the subject matter happiness. So for this video I'm going to do a workshop where I'm going to show you how to do the workshop, well, roughly how to do it, because you can do it any way you want, and it's going to be about drawing and it's going to be called building a house. So what you have to think about in this session is what you would want in your house. And as you can see, as I'm drawing like kind of things what I can think of what I want my house. Obviously when you think of a house you think of a structure of a simple like kid's house of a square windows, a door and a roof. I mean, you could draw it like that and then maybe fill it with loads of different things that you would love to have in your home. Like for me, a home represents having your family, your loved ones, like somewhere that is a safe space for you to feel that you can be yourself, be who you want to be. You can put words in this as well if you want to, what represents something, what means a lot to you. You can do anything. Art is a fabulous way to let your emotions out instead of just keeping it inside. And it's really cool. No one has to see this at all. I mean, I'm doing it to show you guys examples of how to do it. You don't have to have a fabulous drawing skills. I know I'm an artist, but when I do stuff like this, it's not about how it looks, it's about how it feels and how the drawing comes across. It's just about expressing yourself in the drawing. It doesn't have to look like amazing Picasso or Frida Kahlo or whatever. It's about having the emotions coming out of you, so you're not holding on to these emotions. So like I say, in a home you want it to feel, me personally, to feel safe, feel loved, feel somewhere that you can grow and you're able to grow within yourself. I think that's a safe environment. So what makes you feel the most happiest, maybe somewhere you want that you can, I mean this is going materialistic as well a little bit, is that you can make it feel your own. You can put your own twist onto the interior, maybe inside. I love having nature within a home as well, I feel with nature and plants and things like that, it makes you feel one with nature of course, but I think they're really fabulous. They seem to give out energy to you, don't they, having plants around things. And what kind of stuff would you have in your home if you could have anything? I mean, you can work along as I'm talking with this video, you can do this workshop as I'm talking, and you can pause this video and draw away. It's just giving you like some examples of stuff you could draw in your picture. Like you could even draw your favourite people to have in your home that you want. I mean, it can be, they can be people who are alive, people who have passed, people that have inspired you in your life. You can have them in your house, couldn't you? You could have your favourite things that you love, like if you love doing art, you could have all your art stuff in this house. It doesn't have to be to scale, it can be as abstract as you want it. It doesn't have to be, there's no rules, there's nothing that can stop you. Just let your imagination go wild. If there's a favourite colour you like, you could have that in your home. It's all the things that bring you happiness, all the things that bring you joy, and all the things that you feel are positive and amazing when you see them. It could be certain smells, maybe certain smells you think of, and you think when you smell something, you can feel the emotion of happiness. You could even have that in it. Like, you obviously would have to write the word because you can't. Well, you could spray the paper, I guess, or something if you want to. If it's a certain smell. Yes, this workshop is about just building your own house or home, whatever you want to call it. I prefer the word home because house just feels very materialistic. Home feels more heartfelt, doesn't it? So yeah, you can just draw a home and then just express yourself basically. And like I say, you can pause this video or just work through it as I'm talking and working through it as well. Well, I hope this gave you a good idea of things you could do. So this one was on the theme of happiness, of this art therapy video. If there's anything other subjects you'd like me to chit chat about, or maybe do a workshop on, that I can show you some examples of things that you could do let me know and give this a thumbs up if you like this kind of video. And see you guys later, and stay positive and fabulous.